What's good and what's poppin' YouTube? If you're new here, my name is Kenna and I make college, beauty, and lifestyle related content. And today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on a headband wig. This video is actually sponsored. The hair was sent to me by Love Me Hair, so thank you guys so much for that. Worry not, y'all. I'm still going to give y'all the real tea on this hair. But if you already like what you see, be sure to use my code KENNA20 for 20% off of your orders. Be sure to subscribe if you haven't, and if you're subscribed, thank you so much. And without further ado, let's get into this video. All right, y'all. So first I'm going to do a quick unboxing of Love Me Hair. So this is the box that it came in. It also had this like cute bow on it, so just imagine it's on there. I accidentally broke it and we moved, but just know that their packaging was cute. And so first let me show y'all the wig. So the wig came in this bag. Out. This is kind of the wig. So it's a water wave, and I believe it is 16 inches deep wave affordable headband wig. So I will link the wig that I got in the description box below. And then what I like about this wig, so of course it's a headband wig, so here's like where the headband goes, and then on the inside it has like some clips that makes it easier to really secure this thing down. And like on the back too, it has like this like little band that really makes sure that this thing is on tight, weird smells, and like the hair quality seems overall good. I'm probably gonna like manipulate it with some product and stuff when I put it on, but loving it so far. And so next we have the headbands that the wig came with. So it came with 5 headbands in total. So cheetah print, a nice little pattern, another nice little pattern, and then this pattern. And then, oh, here's the 5th one, this one right here. And of course, you can use any other headband as well. So next they sent me a wig cap, and it has 2 wig caps in here. So I'm very thankful for that because I was down on my last wig cap. And then they also sent me this cute little packet, which I'll probably use for like other things. And then inside of it, they sent me, the little edge scarf to kind of like hold down your hair or your edges or whatever. And then they sent me this thing. I honestly am not sure what this does yet, y'all. I will figure it out, but if you know, you know, and this is probably helpful for something. They sent me an edges brush, love that. And then they sent me some kind of tweezers. And then they also sent me this cute clip that says Love Me, branded, all of that. And then finally they sent me some Love Me bobby pins. And I've already like taken some of the bobby pins out, so that's why it looks a little like, empty. And they also sent me this, and it's kind of like an instruction manual. So it tells you like how to put on the wig and stuff, how to contact them. And then finally, like in the box, I just noticed this, but it basically says enjoy your hair from now on from the founder. So I just thought that that was a cute little touch to put in it. So I feel like a lot of thought really went into this packaging. So now to get into putting on this wig. So the first thing I'm going to be doing is putting on my wig cap to protect my braids or my hair underneath. And so one thing I noticed with putting on headband wigs is you can slick your hair back and you can also braid it, but I'm going to be putting on another wig in a few days that's like lace front, so I want my hair to be braided down, of course. So whatever is your preference, but I did try to like kind of keep it a little more natural looking in the front so that when I want to put the headband wig on, it kind of blends, I guess, more. So now I'm about to do my edges. So I'm going to be taking the edge brush that they gave me, of course, and I'm going to be using this edge control, and I'm also going to be using probably a little bit of my Got To Be to just make sure that everything is really just laid down. So about to get into that. And you can kind of just style your edges to how you like them. So I'm just going to keep playing with my edges until I feel like it's at a point where I think they're cute. Alright, y'all, so I'm just taking a little bit of gel. This bottle doesn't match the gel that's in here, so it's actually extreme gel in here, but I'm gonna take that and kind of like put it on my like braids slash like flyaways to kind of keep those down real quick. I'm gonna just push that back, slide my wig cap back over it, and there we go. So now I think my edges look good. I'm gonna go ahead and put this Love Me hair scarf on it to hold it down. Okay, so that's on there. And I think what I'm gonna do now is I'm gonna blow dry it a little bit just to kind of speed up the process so we can get this show on the road. All right, y'all, so now I'm taking the scarf off. Okay, so it's down, it's slick. I'm gonna put some water right here to get rid of that excess glue. Spray bottle. All right, y'all, so now to put on the wig. So I'm gonna open up the straps in the back so that I can like get it on. Dang, that's tight. Real tight, finally. And now I'm just going to start with the back and make sure it's like around the back of my head. And I'm just gonna pull it to the front. Let me get in line of my mirror here. And I'm just going to pull it to the front. The clips, I wasn't really too pressed if they went in or not, but I might as well just do it the proper way for y'all. So got that one in there. And then there's one more right there that I'm trying to get in there for y'all. And ooh, baby, this is on. Okay, so honestly, these clips, kind of not feeling them because it doesn't really let me move the wig where I want to move it to, and it's a little messing on my edges. So I'm just gonna place the wig where I want to place it without the clips. And now I'm gonna secure it in the back. And like basically to secure it in the back, all I'm gonna do is just clip, like put the Velcro strap back together. All right, so right now it's not looking like much, but now I'm gonna kind of play with the hair, manipulate it with some water. I'm gonna be using, spray bottle, I'm gonna be using my Curls Creme Brulee, curl cream. I'm gonna be using my gel, and we just gonna kind of style it until I feel like it is where it needs to be. I'm going to put my hair, the top part in the ponytail, just like go section by section. So first I'm gonna spray it down with some water. Take my Denman brush. And now I'm gonna take some curl cream. And taking my gel to just kind of like keep that as defined as it is right now, like that wet look. So yeah, that's all I'm doing, and I'm about to just finish that for the rest of my hair. This is how it's looking so far. So this is the side I've done, and then this is the side that's not done. As you can see, big difference. This side looks a lot more natural and just better, literally. So I'm gonna hit this other side, and we gonna be ready to put the headband on and be done. And go, and get, and okay. You got potential. You got potential. Y'all, so I'm done with the hair, and I'm actually really loving this right now. Like, I honestly would wear it like this, but we gonna try some headbands just because, you know, they send me some headbands. You gotta put the headband on. It's a headband wig, but honestly, like, real talk, you can rock it just like this. So that's an extra headband in it. So I decided to go with this one because it matches like my brown shirt. You know the vibes. So gonna slide it through. Okay, we're done. And this is so pretty, y'all. Like, and it was so easy to do. Like, you no longer have to know how to slay your lace. Like, if you're thinking about getting a headband wig, definitely get you a headband wig, because this is like perfect for every day. Yeah, but I'm loving how this turned out. Like, this is the half up, half down look, and I also really rock with this one. I will say that I wish that the hair was a little bit fuller so that the half up, half down, you know, like I wouldn't have to push all my hair to the front, and I still think that it works. I think next time I might just put less in the ponytail or something like that, but overall, y'all, it's giving what it's supposed to be giving. All right, y'all, so thank you so much for watching this video. I want to thank Love Me Hair again for sending me this. I clearly love it, and this is about to be my new go-to style. And also be sure to use my coupon code KENE20 for 20% off of your orders. Be sure to leave a like if you like this video, comment what you liked, what you disliked, anything you want to see from me as far as video content, and be sure to follow all of my social media accounts that are located in the description box below. And I hope to see y'all in the next video.